So, this is the moment of truth. Testing of 8 heads Hennepenny. Okay. All good. Blower is working. Turn on. Yan. And output ng ating pilot. So, it means all goods na. Kailangan natin ng gas valve. Gas valve na lang. Aapoy na to. Alright. So, pinanta natin dito is computer board. Papalitan pa lang yung ating gas valve. Then, ito yung ating pinalitan. Vacuum switch. Ang problema pala ng computer nito is yung I/O board. So, nagpalit tayo ng I/O board. Ayan. So, goods. Pilot. Then, lilinisin lang natin to. Then, all to go.